Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really awesome selfie monitor. This is for iPhone 5 up to 16, and I want to share all of the features with you guys. It's an incredible little tool for content creators. Using your rear-facing camera for better quality is tough when you can't see yourself. That's where this portable selfie monitor changes everything. It's lightweight, magnetic, and it's plug-in ready, so there's no apps necessary, no charging needed, and it just works. It's that easy. This AMOLED LED screen is brighter, it provides richer color and deeper contrast in comparison to the classic LCD screen on the iPhone 11. The difference in sharpness and contrast is obvious. It attaches magnetically, plugs in, and it's ready to go in seconds. There's zero setup and zero hassle. Because it uses your phone's power, you never have to worry about charging this separately. Plus, this comes with a handy little remote, so this can secure to the cord and it will be ready to pop off whenever you need it. You just simply give this a little charge and it will be a wireless remote, so you can take pictures with short presses, or you can even start videos with long presses. It's perfect for vlogging, live streaming, or creating content wherever you are. It's small enough that you can fit it into a pocket or a bag, but it's powerful enough for pro level filming. So if you're looking for easier filming with brighter previews and the ability to use your rear camera like a pro, this is a must-have for content creators. You've got to check it out.